If you are visiting our channel for the first time, please subscribe first to get the latest updates. Today we are going to see the two methods of finding the derivative. Method number one is by definition or by according to the concept of the derivative, where we use the formula that is mentioned here, that is f dash of x, that is the derivative of x is equal to limit of del x approaches to 0, f of x plus del x minus f of x divided by del x. This is by definition, or it is sometimes also called as first principle method or ab initio method. And the method number two is the power rule, where we have the formula of this rule is where derivative of x raised to power n, n is any value like 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on, and then we can write we can find the derivative by like this, by moving the n on into the multiplication form with the given function and subtracting 1 from the power. So this is the power rule. So keep one thing in mind, that method number 2 is the shortest one, while method number 1 is a little bit longer as compared to method number 2. So we'll start with the example that if you're given with f of x equals to x square, you have to find the derivative. Then what you have to do, you have to use the formula of by definition method. Now in by definition, first what you have to find? First you have to find this f of x plus del x. So let's find it out. F of x plus del x, the given function is x square, so we have to add del x into it as x plus del x whole square. Now we have to write this all in the form as f of x plus del x minus f of x, as according to the formula. You have to make all the arrangements according to the formula. So I'll write x plus del x whole square as it is, and then minus f of x. F of x is x square. Then we have to divide it with del x as it is given here. So divide it with del x, and I'll write del x. So if we simplify it, we'll get x square plus del x square plus 2x del x minus x square divided by del x. Now this x square and this x square will be cancelled out. We will get del x square plus 2x del x divided by del x. Now taking del x common, I'll simplify the remaining portion here, as if we take the del x common, but it will be then del x as del x plus 2x divided by del x. It will be cancelled out and we will be left with del x plus 2x. Now we have to apply this limit, that is del x approaches to 0. If I apply the limit del x approaches to 0 on del x plus 2x, what I will get? I will get the answer equals to 2x, as del x becomes 0, and we need not to put del x in 2x as there is no del x with the 2x. So the derivative of the given function x square is 2x according to the first principle. Now what about the method number 2? It's the easiest one. You have to do what? You have to just move this power here. So I'll write 2 here and write x as it is and subtract 1 from the power. It will become 2x raised to power 1, and what we will get is 2x. So this is how you can find the derivative by using the two basic methods of derivative. One is by definition or by first principle, and the second is by the power rule, and the easiest one is the power rule, or the quickest one is the power rule, while the by definition or the proper method is longer as compared to the method number 2. So this is how you can find the derivative. In the next lecture we will see different kinds of functions and how you can find the derivative by using both of these methods. Thank you. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel math.com for more updates. Thank you.